Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how you can create a Google form using your phone. Okay, first of all you have to type Google Forms on the Google browser, and from there you have to select the first option, which is Google Forms free online survey, and from there you can click the link that is forms given below. There you have to click, and then an entirely new form will be opened. Now what you have to do is give a title to your form. So let me give a title to this form. When you open the form in your phone, it's totally different from how it appears in computer, laptop or desktop. So there is not much issue, but still it is simple to use. All the features will be same. So I have already given a heading to this form. Now let me add some questions, and the first question is like what was the video beneficial, and the option which you can have over here is either yes or no. And since it is a multiple choice question, I can add yes and no for this question. Only two options is enough. You can add one more, like maybe kind of thing, but I think that is more than enough. Okay, first option yes, and see there is another option no, so I click that and it has automatically taken. I have made this a required one so that it is mandatory, you have to answer this. And after that I can add one more question. Let it be as give rating to this video. This one is good. So I have opted linear scale. Google form is very intelligent. It's already showing me that you can take a linear scale, and from there you can give one as average, and if you check the fifth one it will be like 3. I made this also required, so you have to answer both the questions. Rest of the thing is as usual, and since no response is submitted, it is showing 0. From the above you can click the theme option, and from there you can change you can totally format your theme, how the appearance will be. Okay, all the options are showing in at the bottom of your phone. Okay, not at the side but at the bottom. Okay, there is formatting theme, then you can send the form, and there's also icon for all the settings, so you have to explore a bit where you will see all the other things. So let me show you that how this form looks like in the preview section of I have shown you already. Now let me go back, and from here you can, by clicking the arrow button, you can compose this form for submit, and you can copy the link is generated. You can shorten the link and then copy and send it to anyone, all the recipients whom you want this form to be filled by. So you can either add it to your WhatsApp or directly mail the recipients. See, since I have already submitted, while I was showing you the preview, one response is being shown. And this is all about how you can work on Google Form using your phone. this is very beneficial. Once again, I'll tell you that you can do it very easily. So thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.